So once again, we know that if we don't know where a person is, we'll ask him, where are you? And the question word that will be used is Efo. If we know that the person is specifically located at a location of a particular person, so for example, at someone's place, we can ask him, Etzel mi. Etzel mi. It means at who are you? So, who is your location? So if we want to answer the question at a person, then we'll start with etzel. Etzel is the preposition that answers the question where when the answer is a person. For example, at Yossi's, etzel Yossi. Etzel Yossi. At Michal's, etzel Michal. Etzel Michal. At Avi's, etzel Avi. Etzel Avi. At Sivan's, etzel Sivan. Etzel Sivan. At Dad's, etzel Abba. Etzel Abba. At Mom's, etzel Ima. Etzel Ima. Wonderful, guys. So I hope that you got the concept. If you want, you can write those down in your notebook because the etzel preposition is a preposition that we didn't learn so far, but it is a very important one. So if you want, write it down in your notebooks, and we're going to see each other in the next lecture.